Now, are you thinking what I'm just now realizing? If you've thought about this, give yourself a pat on the back. If I cut those blocks 2 1/4 inches, they're going to be over the entire carpeted area, where those little feet are only shoved right down into the carpet in those one little spots. So if I put a block in there, chances are, I'm going to bow the middle of this up ever so slightly, because I'm going to have that whole 2 1/2 inch, 2 1/4 inch piece of plywood pushed down into the carpet. Whereas right now, the feet are the only thing that are pushed down in the carpet, like an inch by inch little squares. And I looked at these little metal ones too. These are welded on, and those are metal. I don't want to unscrew those, like I said. So I'm going to cut just little pieces. And this bed really isn't going to slide around any. This little block is going to fit right down in that little wedge of the carpet that's pushed down in there. So I'm going to cut, I'm glad I'm rethinking that. I could cut them 7/8 by 7/8 even. There's 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 3 under here. So that's 8 of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7/8 by 7/8. Not very much, but enough, and it would just kind of fit into the little pocket of where that carpeted mush down area is. Okay? Okay. Glad I rethought that. Hey, since we're talking about this, I wanted to give you one tip when you're setting up your bed, and it cracks me up. I don't know how many times I've met guys from a furniture company, and they set up a bed and they never get the bed square, or as square as it can be, because when you put it up, they're so flimsy. If this front is slightly slid over, this whole thing just kind of comes over at a slight angle, and it's not straight. And then when you put your bed frame in, when you put your little boxes like this, maybe it's not lined up right. And every time I go out, I've got to get my tape measure out, and I've got to line it up for the guys and tell them where I want it, because 99 out of 100 times when somebody puts it up there, it's not coming square off the wall. And a quick and dirty way to figure that out is when they put it up there, you want to make sure that their distance between next to the wall is the same pretty much on both ends, and then you just take a tape measure and you measure off the wall to the edge. And if that's 45 inches, you come over here, measure off the wall to the edge, 45 inches. Slide this front one to the left or to the right, and then you can come over and double check over here. You can check over there, you can check here, wherever you want, and you can kind of pick and choose. You don't have to square it up. Like to square something up, you would measure diagonally from one end over to here, from that end to this end. It's very hard to do that on a bed like this. I mean, I guess you could hold your tape measure exactly where you want on that corner, and pick a spot over there, and then measure the exact spot from there over to here, and you'll get your bed square. But if this isn't lined up tight to the wall, you could still have your bed coming square, beaten square, but having it come off cockeyed off of your wall. Do you see what I'm saying? So you always want to kind of line this up. If your headboard is connected here, push it, and if you got an inch over here, make sure that side's an inch, and then you can go and measure off of here where you want, and then off of there, and line that up. I'll tell you, it really helps when you're setting up a bed. Hey, since I've given you a couple tips here, this happened to be, here's another tip for you. This just happens to be a king size bed. Did you know that not all king beds mattresses are the same? Yeah. You ever heard of an Eastern king and a cow king and a standard king? Well, what's the difference between them all? Well, a standard king is actually the same size as an Eastern king. Lots of people call them Eastern kings. Well, an Eastern king is the same as a king, just a standard. Cow king means that it's not as wide, but yet it's longer. Okay. A regular king size bed or an Eastern king means it's wider than the cow king, but it's just not as long as a cow king. And man, had I known, I didn't really know what Momi was ordering, and I should have checked it out, because we got the standard king, which is the Eastern king. Okay, so it's wider and it's not as long. And if you're going up a flight of stairs, like a flight of stairs like this in a condo, look at this. You should measure from the top edge up, you know, at an angle, and see how you're going to fit that bed up. Because do you know that when they were here, they put the bed frame all together. They brought the box, these little boxes in here. They put that together. They're getting ready to carry this, and they said, "Hey, we can't get it up the stairs." And I said, "Are you kidding me?" They got it up the narrowest way. They still couldn't get it up the stairs. It took 3 of us. One guy, he was up at the front. He actually kind of bent the edge over a little bit so that he can get it up the stair. And 2 of us just wailed on it on the back and pushed it up one step at a time. It scratched up, marked up the top. I had to repaint that and stuff. We got it up here finally. And I'm going to feel sorry for whoever has to take this back down the stairs years from now, okay? Because they're going to have a heck of a time getting it down through there. And had I have been thinking, I could have measured and known what the Eastern king size measurements were and the cow king size, and I should have done that. And I would have told Momi, hey, because we have so much room here, let's get the cow king, because then we can fit it up the stairs, because it's narrower than the Eastern king. Does that make sense? And it would have went up the stairs just all hunky-dory. But as it is, we got it up here. We've got enough room here. Because see, if you got a bedroom and you don't have that much room, you might still be able to get a king-size bed in here if you put the Eastern king, the standard king, instead of the cow king, because then it's not as long. Do you see what I'm saying? And if you have plenty of length, maybe you want it a little bit longer. Maybe one person is taller than the other person. Maybe they need a longer bed. Or if you want it wider, then you go with the Eastern king. You want it longer, you go with the cow king. Okay? Enough of that. There's your tip for the day.